guys eating up the tree? Two boys are fighting over there, and these two eating up this tree. Oh, Chewy's eating the tree too. And Flash is eating the tree as well. And the boys are fighting again. Whoa, Malachi! Oh gosh. Mal! You guys are silly. Look how high he's jumping. He's taking down the whole tree. Oh my gosh. What is that, Malachi? You guys are silly. This tree just started growing back, and I don't think it's gonna make it that long. Oh, Malachi. He has too much energy today. Oh, Mal. This poor tree. Oh my goodness. Look at this, it's gonna snap. I don't know if you could see, but that's not blood on Flash's face. It's actually red jello. Oh my gosh. Mal! He just snapped that branch off. Dude. Mom's gonna yell at you. Oh my goodness. This poor tree. Oh boy. Look at that. You ripped it right off. Oh, my silly boys. We're gonna need a new tree over here. What happened, Mally? You gonna take down this branch too? Mal! Mal! Oh my gosh. Look at little Sasha. She's so gentle. And Flash is working on some sticks. Chewy's back over there behind Sasha. Oh, my silly dogs. They're gonna kill this poor tree.